The length of the line segment joining the two intersection points of the curves y equal to 4970 minus x and y equal to x square. Points of intersection solve. So x square equals 4970 minus mod x. X square minus mod x plus mod x minus 4970 is equal to 0. But to factorize this, let me take 4970. This is 10 into 497. The multiple of 7, 10 into 7 into 71, 70 into 71. This works brilliantly. I'm going to treat this as a quadratic in mod x square plus mod x minus 4970 equal to 0. Call it as y square plus y minus 4970 equal to 0. Y square plus 71y minus 70y minus 4970 equal to 0. Y plus 71 into y minus 70 is equal to 0, or y, which in the case is mod x, is minus 71 or 70. It cannot be minus 70 when we talk about mod x. Mod x should be 70, or y should be 4970 minus 70, which is 4900. There are points of intersection. Mod x is 70. That means x could be 70 or minus 70. Or the points of intersection are 70, 4900 minus 70, 4900. Brilliant. So what are we going to do this? So we're going to draw this. 70, 4900 minus 70, 4900. 70, 4900. Minus 70, 4900. These are the 2 points that are sitting in both of these lines. Y equal to minus mod x minus 4970 minus mod. It'll be a curve like this, I think. What is the distance between these 2 points? 70 plus 70, 140. I think 4970 minus mod x. Y equal to, just going to explore this. This is not required at all. So the answer is 140. Let's finish that off. This distance 70 plus 70, answer is 140. That is our answer. The distance between those 2 points. What are you going to do? We've come this far. We're going to say, hey, nice. Let's erase this. Let's remove this. Let's solve this question. This is done. Let's imagine this curve. Y equal to x square will be a curve like this. Y equal to mod x is like this. Y equal to minus mod x is like this. 4970 minus mod x should be a curve like this. This will be the point of intersection. We don't need to draw the graph, obviously not required, but find the points of intersection. Distance between those two is 140.